Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Onyinyechiikechiweta here. If this is your first time seeing my face, I'm a content creator based here in Nigeria. I make content on talk, coaching, lifestyle vlog and hair tutorials. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys what Chroma key is. I know some of you must have had one idea or the other about Chroma key, but I'm going to be telling you what I know about Chroma key today and how you can make use of it in Powerdirector or KineMaster if you want to make use of it. It's very easy to make use of if you have a knowledge of it, and it works for so many other video editors that you have or that you make use of, because if you're a YouTuber, an upcoming YouTuber, there's so many things you do with Chroma key, and it's also a means of making use of any green screen effects that you see and you love and you want to make use of the effect. Once it's a green background, it's very easy to make use of with Chroma key. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic of today, and please don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, like I said at the beginning, we're going to be talking about Chroma key today. So Chroma key is like an effect that is in most of all the video editing softwares that enables us to make use of green screens. By green screens, I mean this. So Chroma key enables us to make use of green screens. Like if my background has a green screen, I can use Chroma key to remove that green screen and put any other beautiful background I want to put. If I want to be by the beach, I can remove the Chroma key, the green background, and put the beach background. If I want to be somewhere very beautiful, I don't like my background, I don't like the environment I shot my video, I can remove the background. If it's a green background, I can remove it with Chroma key and insert any other background there. And another example of using Chroma key in Powerdirector or KineMaster is this, our subscription button, like our subscribe button that clicks, that just click that the bell sign, you click on the subscribe button and the bell sign pops up, and the rest of them. It comes with a green screen. If you want to remove that green screen and make it transparent so that people will just see the subscribe button instead of having to see that green screen, like an example of this. So instead of having to see that green screen, you just use your Chroma key to remove that green background, and the subscription button will sit on your video as if it was there. So that is one of the main use of the Chroma key in any of the editors you make use of. And also you can use Chroma key for so many things. You can use it for other effects like smoke effect in some of the PC editors. You can use it for sparkle effect. You can use it for so many other effects. Chroma key works like in so many ways. You can use it in so many ways. So it's something every YouTuber or an upcoming YouTuber should know, because it enhances your video. It makes you stand out amongst the crowd. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section about what you feel or your thoughts on Chroma key. And if you like this content, that you're watching now, and if you want me to make more of this content, you can put your ideas in the comment section as well, so that I will take it up from there. So I don't just come here and just talk without giving you a little tutorial on how to use your Chroma key in Powerdirector and KineMaster. So I am going to do a little tutorial. It's not going to be long, just short, simple, straight. I'm going to give a little example of how to make use of Chroma key so that it's easy for you guys to do. And stay tuned till the end of the video. So guys, this is the interface you're going to see when you open your Powerdirector. I'm going to start Powerdirector. So I'm going to just click on new project because I want to work on a new project entirely. So I'll just click, and I'll write my project name. I'll just give this, just name this test. So done. And then the aspect ratio is 16 to 9 now. We all know that. So open up a new folder, and I'm going to I'll use one particular clip to work with this video, to work with this in this example. So I'll use one particular clip. So I'll just click on this one and then just click on this one and add it, because we're talking about chroma key here. So when I add it up, I'm just going to reduce the volume because I don't want to make use of it. I'll just reduce the volume, and then I'll just go straight to my chroma key. So to import the chroma key, I need to overlay it on this video. So I'll just go over to this place and then click on that particular overlay aspect, and I'll click on video. So when I click on video, I'll go to the folder where I downloaded, where it's saved, which is this download folder. Then I'll just click on downloads and go over to the subscribe button with green screen. So I just click and then click on the plus, and it adds it up in my video. So I'm just going to go back, and then this is how it's going to look like, but I'm going to resize it. I'll resize it to my taste. It's looking a bit smaller, so this size is okay for me, and I'll just move it over to this area. We are okay, we are good to go. So and then if you look down here with the overlay of the subscribe button highlighted, because you have to click on it, select it first. So when it's selected, when you look down here, you see different options to work with. I'm not here to do tutorial on editing. If you want any of the way I edit my video on Powerdirector, you can just leave your comment in the comment section and we'll get to it. But today we're talking about chroma key. So I'm just going to go over to chroma key, and then I'll click on chroma key. When I click on chroma key, it opens up this interface for me. So what you do here is just to click. If you watch, you will see use picker to select a color. Then we have other color here, but I just need to remove that green screen. So what I do is I will just click on that picker, and if you watch, the picker has appeared. Then the picker is like asking me where do I want to. Let's just go back so that I can do this stuff very well. So I need to go back. Okay, so if I click on the picker will ask me where do I want, like even if it doesn't ask, but that picker wants you to select the color that you want to remove. So once I click on the picker, it's already on that subscribed picture there. But what I'm going to do is to tap on the green screen. So once I tap on the green screen, if you watch, it has removed it. So I'll just click on this play button and go back. You can see, guys, you can see that the green screen is off. So that's how chroma key works on Powerdirector. It's very, very easy. So guys, you've seen how to make use of your chroma key to remove your green screen and do other beautiful things in Powerdirector and KineMaster. It's very easy, short, simple, straight. It's very, very easy. And you can also, not just the subscribe button, you can also make use of it for every other effect that you want to use it for. So without too much explanation, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section. And if you like what I do in my channel, if you like my personality, if you just love me for who I am, then hit that subscribe button to join the family so that you'll be always around anytime I pop up any video. And please don't forget to turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.